just going to make this little video about the Volvo XC90 61 plates, a 2012 year model, removal and replacement of the boost pressure sensor. Sometimes I think they call it a MAP, M-A-P, and awkwardly it's right down there, and you just can't get at it. And there's a couple of videos online showing all sorts of shenanigans, but the way to do it, I've just discovered, is to take the headlight out. One-handed's always awkward, obviously. Don't even have to take it all out, just bend it all around the side, and there you can see it in there. I've actually just done mine, but I thought I'd do the video to show you where it is. I've taken the screw out. That's the new one I've just put in, and you can get at it with it's a T15 Torx extra long, and you can get it down there right onto it. Yeah, I haven't got a screw in it at the moment, but you get the idea. You can get it with this, and it's a 15, it's not a 10, 15 Torx, extra long, 10-minute job.